Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, cloth seat trim, low tire pressure warning, compass. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.